Cycling is one of the best exercises in the world. But which app should you use? The video covers 5 best applications for cycling. We'll see each app in action and then see the pros of each. So let's jump into it. The first app we have is Google Fit. The official app from Google is not just for riding bikes. It's an all-in-one program to track over 80 exercises. To track cycling, we tap on this plus sign and choose the cycling activity. The next screen shows a map with an option to start the exercise. When the journey is started, you see the time, distance, speed, heart points, and burned calories. When you finish the workout, it automatically fills the title depending on the time of the day. You also get to see the active minutes and expended energy. The second app on the list is Strava. It supports over 30 workouts including running, walking, riding, and swimming. You can also join challenges in the app to stay motivated. While cycling, you see time, average speed, and distance. This location button can show and hide some other data and the map. When a trip ends, you are presented with the title, description, activity type, map, trip visibility, and more. You can see your daily and weekly progress in this You section. The third app, which is similar to Google Fit, is Samsung Health. The app is pre-installed on Samsung devices, but it's available to download on both stores. Regarding the features, you get more options than any other app mentioned in the video. For starters, it supports over 100 workouts to track, while you can also keep track of your sleep, food intake, water intake, weight, blood pressure, blood glucose, and oxygen saturation. To track biking, we tap on this bike option and set a target. The app shows a speedometer with the map in the background and total time and speed on the top. The pause, log, and finish buttons are down below. When the exercise finishes, the app shows the speed and elevation data along with some other type of data. The next app is called Ride with GPS. The freemium application enables cycling on your own or with friends. It automatically starts tracking when you open it, and it pauses the workout when no movement is detected. On the tracking screen, you get to see the distance, speed, duration, elevation gain, and average speed. When you finish the ride, you get to fill out the data. A unique option in the app is finding nearby tracks and locations. You can search for tracks and places to ride, while it also shows the tracks while viewing past activities. The last app by Under Armour is Map My Ride. It supports running, cycling, and hiking. While it can be connected with eligible Bluetooth-enabled devices such as shoes to track data automatically. The main interface shows a map, distance, and duration of the journey. The calories data is displayed when you finish the activity. The app supports adding photos, setting privacy, and adding notes when you end the trip. Furthermore, connecting the app with friends is possible, while a community tab is set up to share your stats with your friends and the world. Alright, this is where the video ends. Thanks for watching. Please like this video if it helped and comment down below if any questions. I'll see you later. Until then, take care.